Good morning, welcome to my class. So today we are going to discuss about the fourth program. This is on OA's lab fourth program. This is the program to demonstrate the shift reduce parsing technique for the grammar rules. E equals to E plus T or slash T, T and T into F. So any kind of expression, not only this expression. And for example, we can parse the sentence called ID plus ID into ID. So now we'll see what is shift reduce parsing. This is nothing but it uses a stack to hold the grammar and this input parsing. It is used to hold the string. So in this we have two types of actions. One is shift and reduce. In shift, what will happen? Here the current symbol in the input string is pushed to the stack, and then in the reduce, the second action in here, what will happen? The things which is going to replace by the non-terminals. So this is the two types of actions we are going to see in the shift reduce parsing. So here So this is the program which we are going to design, develop and implement the program to demonstrate the shift reduce parsing for these kind of grammar rules, and we can do any kind of expression by using the arithmetic operators. So now we'll see the coding part. So this is the header files. Here we are using the standard input or output library stdio.h and clearstream, conio.h and string.h, and we have a variables k equals to 0, z equals to 0, I equals to 0, j equals to 0 and c equals to 0. So here we are using the char because we are going to generate the ID plus ID into ID. So this is we are going to parse the thing. So we are using the char and we can give the size for that. So and main function here we can see the execution part. So we are using puts and gets function. So puts is for writing the expression and gets is for scanning the expression. So here we are using the expression called E plus E slash E into E and then E of E and E of ID. So we are going to enter the input string. So we already discussed that in shift what will happen, the current symbol is going to push into the stack, and it is nothing but here it just uses to the input string to hold the string, and then we already saw that stack is going to hold the grammar. So we are using this puts and gets over here, and we are using the string length to copy a variable in C, and we are copy the shift operations, and we are going to use the for loop to see the things, and then we are going to see the increment of we are going to assign the I plus 1 to I j plus 1, and here we are using a j plus 1, and we can check the things. So symbols stk a comma act, and so this is the operation we have a. So we are going to push the input string into the stack one by one, and we can see the increment over there, and at last we can see the output called like this. That is, we can use shift. First of all, we are going to shift this ID into the stack, and then we can reduce the expression E. Then again symbol, again we are going to push the ID into the E. So again we are going to see the in the reduce action we can see E, and then in shift we can see the symbols. Again we are going to we have what the main operation over here is, we are going to push the things into the stack, and we can reduce the in reduce action we can see the things which is going to replace with the non-terminals. So now we will see the how we are going to compile and how we are going to see the things now. So now we'll see how to do the operation. So I'm going to open the statement for fourth program. So now I'm going to compile the things. So here there is no any error, and I'm going to run the statement. We can give the input string ID plus ID into ID. So we have any errors we can see here, and we can run the statement. That's all. So this is how we can see the statement. So shift ID and it reduced to E, and shift of symbols, and this got reduced to E. Again, symbols we are going to push into the stack, and it just give the expression E of E plus E. The same thing, E into E, and then we can get the statement. Thank you.